Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into how to use UPBASE to manage your fashion design projects, taking full advantage of the 2025 features. First things first, log into your UPBASE account. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects tab. This is where all your fashion design projects will live. The reason we do this is to have a centralized workspace where you can track everything related to your project. Now that we've done that, it's time to create your first project. Click on the Create Project button and fill in all the necessary details, including the name, description, and due date. This helps us because it sets the foundation for your project and makes it easier for you to manage it down the line. Next up, let's talk about team collaboration. On the project page, you'll see an option to add team members. Here you can invite your designers, pattern makers, and anyone else involved in the project. This is critical because UPBASE is all about collaboration, and this step ensures everyone stays in the loop. Once your team is set up, it's time to add tasks. Click on Add Task and fill in the task name, description, and set a due date. Assign the task to a team member. The reason we do this is to break down your project into manageable tasks, making it easier to track progress and meet deadlines. Now let's add some files to your project. Click on the Files tab and upload your sketches, fabric swatches, or any other relevant documents. This is important because it provides a visual reference for your team and helps them understand the vision behind your designs. Finally, keep track of your project's progress on the dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of task completion, project timelines, and team performance. This is crucial because it helps you monitor the progress of your project and make sure everything is on track. So, that's it. You've just learned how to use UPBASE for managing your fashion design projects. It's a powerful tool that can streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration within your team. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.